Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to learn how we can use the checkbox inside of Microsoft Excel. With the use of the checkbox we are also going to add a text. So you'll see it's going to be pretty simple and pretty interesting to do. So let's start. So where exactly can we find the checkbox inside of Microsoft Excel? It's pretty simple. You will go right here inside of the Developers tab. Once you're on the Developers tab, the next step will be going on the Insert button right here. And then you will have different elements that you will be able to insert. So you will have boxes, you will be able to add lists, you will be able to create buttons. Of course, all those elements are linked with the VBA, so you'll be able to, for example, if you're adding a button, you'll have to record a certain task and link it to that button. Each time that you click on that button, it will generate the task. For our, for the purpose of our tutorial, we are going to simply create a box, a checkbox right here. So as you can see, I clicked on the checkbox and a little sign has appeared. So I can just go here and add my checkbox. So as you can see here, it's called checkbox 1. So now what I can do is I can change the text. So to change the text, I only have to right click on it and click on edit text. From here, in order to, what I'm gonna do is simply change the text. So let's say we are going to go for a walk. So this is one of the things that we want to do. When it's done, what you can do is simply click on the check button. So this is how you add a checkbox. A good use case for this is, for example, having a checklist. So for example, I can just go here. I can copy this text, so click on it, copy and paste it down there. And what I can do after that is simply change it. So instead of go for a walk, I can say, I don't know, eat, for example. So I have to go for a walk, I check. I'll just have to move it a little bit or make it smaller. There we go. So I have to go for a walk, I check. I have ate, I check. So both of them are done. I'm happy. All my tasks for the day are done. So this is how you basically add a checkbox directly on Microsoft Excel. And then after that, you decide what use case you want to, use it for. So that's it for this little tutorial. As always, if you have liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.